Hello friends, this is my first video. I wanted you all to see it. I am 10 years old. During this lockdown, I have made this thing and I wanted you all to see it. So I have made a channel here. So when we switch on the light, switch on the button, the fan starts moving, but my battery is low, so the fan starts like this. You have to move it a little, then the fan starts working, and this light which you see here, it blinks when the fan gets off, because the light sense that the fan has got off, so that it knows that the fan has got off, so it blinks. And when we see, we all think that it is still there, the fan is still working, but the light tells what it is doing. I've used everyday battery here and a Brizzler bottle. My mother wanted it. But I thought it was a waste of use, but still I took it from my mother. After I made this, my mother was very happy to see it. Here, I will show you how it works. Here, do you see two cars? Here and there, I have made this for the support, and here are the wires. Here, do you see the orange one is connected with the switch, and you see that white one, not this one. The front one is not here. It is connected there. That wire is connected with this switch, and this white wire you wanted to see, I think this is connected with this light, and this blue one is connected with the motor. And here, and do you see here, when you see here, there is a green one, do you see it? That is connected with this negative wire. If you know, you will think what it is, and if you don't know, please search it, and so you can make it. It is a red wire, you see, which is connected with two things. That is connected with the motor. So this is connected. This green wire is going to the board, and with the resistors are there. If it does not connect with the board, then all these things will not work. Here, first we will cut the bottle from here, and then when you make all these things, you will simply use an adult. You will use like this. You have to use two hands, and then you have to put sellotape on here if you want to. I have closed it because I wanted to do it. Here's my, I think, yeah. See, the fan is shut off. The light is blinking. See, you see it? Now the fan will work. I think so. I think the battery has gone. Battery has gone. It has not gone. Thank God. Now I am able to explain you. Yes. You see it? The battery is everywhere. Oh, the battery has gone out. If you want to see these things and make these, please buy Electronic Workshop 1, 2 and 3. If you have, you don't need to buy. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.